The first thing Jarek remembered was fire. Not warmth, not comfort. Fire as destruction. It swallowed his world when he was only a child. He remembered screams, the sky turning red, as though the world itself had begun to bleed. When the silence finally came, it was not peace, only ash. Then someone found him, Sir William of Ashland. Stone halls replaced smoke. Warm bread replaced hunger. Steel became his language. The bull became his patience. And silence remained his habit. People called him disciplined, loyal, unbreakable. But they never saw the truth. The thing that changed him was never war. It was her. Some hearts are guarded by armor, and some are imprisoned by duty.